In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this Ford E350. Let's get started. If your wheel has a hubcap, remove it with a pry bar on the edge here. Just be sure not to pry too far on the edge. You want to push it in a little bit, otherwise it could break. Set that aside. Use a 22mm socket to remove all 8 lug nuts and then pull the wheel off. If your wheel is stuck on, put on a lug nut so that the wheel doesn't come off, and then use a rubber mallet and tap the backside of the tire. Not the rim, you don't want to bend it, but that should make it come off. There we go. Broke free. Take off that lug nut and remove the wheel. I'm going to use a 17mm socket to remove both of these mounting nuts. Now these are not original links, so most likely the originals are going to have 18mm mounting nuts. But whatever size you have, go ahead and remove both of the mounting nuts. There's one. As you can see, the stud is spinning on this one, so what I will do now is grab an open-ended wrench, hold this square cutout so I can finish removing my mounting nut. I'm using an 18mm wrench. You use whatever fits on your sway bar link. There it is. Install the new sway bar link. There we go. Start on the mounting nuts. Use an 18mm on these mounting nuts. Because I can't fit my power tool with a deep socket in here, I'm just going to finish this by hand. And get that nice and snug. We'll come back to torque this after the top is tight. .59 foot-pounds is the torque for both of these mounting nuts. That's it right there. This one's installed. Do the same on the other side. I always recommend replacing sway bar links in pairs. Let's put the wheel back on. Put back all 8 lug nuts. Snug them up in a cross pattern to seat that wheel. And then also in a cross pattern, we're going to torque these to 148 foot-pounds. A 148 foot-pounds in a cross pattern. Here we go. Double check them if you want. There you have it. Now install the hubcaps if your vehicle had some. And when you do this, you want to make sure that you line up this cutout here with the valve stem. And there you have it. Now don't forget to get an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.